Hello, Heartbreaker, and welcome to HEARTCORE. In today's class, we are doing a strength and mobility class. So this is a scrambled eggs focus class. So we're really going to be opening up our hips, frog kicks, side leg lifts. So your hips are going to be nice and loose after this class. And then we're also working strength in the scrambled eggs. And we're also going to be working strength when we're going to be getting into skating and heavy squats. So for this class, what you need to make sure that your black cables that are attached to your back platform are at their fullest extension. Okay, so the fullest extension for the black cables. You also want to make sure that you have a kind of pillow or a towel for the support of your knees when we're in the scrambled egg series. And then the last thing you're going to need are your straps off the carriage and off the platform, and make sure that they're tight enough to secure your feet. All right, Heartbreaker, let's get started with class. So make sure that you go to one black spring, and if you want a really big challenge, one white spring. So we're starting off in a reverse wheelbarrow. So that means that we're going to start off the front of the machine. So that's the front, that's the back. So I want you to come to your front platform, knees, platform, hands are going to squeeze and press away from the carriage, all right? So you want to squeeze your glutes, squeeze your inner thighs together. Big inhale through your nose. Exhale. And I want you to powerfully exhale, okay? That's so important. So let's start it. So big inhale through your nose, sending that carriage out, feeling that tension already starting to build in your triceps and your lats. And you want to stop once your wrists are underneath your shoulders, all right? So let's keep it going here. So slowly out, inhale out, exhale. Pull your lower abs into your spine every single time you exhale, okay? Big inhale, send it out, send it out, send it out. And really smash with your palms into your carriage so your lats, your back of your body's active, okay? Because a lot of times when I teach this move, I just see a sinking in the wrist here. And then later my students tell me my wrist hurt. And there's no mystery, right? It's no mystery why their wrist would hurt. I'm not activating my upper back muscle. So you have to press away, and then your wrists are not going to hurt. I promise you. Out. Let's keep it going. Right back in. So we're building tension in our core because we want to prep for the scrambled egg series that we have coming up in about 5 minutes. Okay. So pre-activating our core, pre-activating our lats, our triceps, our rotator cuffs, so that when we're in scrambled eggs, we're really going to be tearing our muscle fibers. So that is the plan for class today. Inhale, out, out, out. Exhale, squeezing your abs in. So think about it. Gravity's trying to pull your abs down, right? I want you to use your exhalation to powerfully pull your abs in so you can really activate them. Last couple seconds. Let's do one more rep. Inhale, send it out. Exhale. Squeeze, 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 and just hold right here. All right, so next up, I want you to get into a plank, and then you're gonna cross your left foot in front of your right, okay? So cross it, and what we're gonna do now is pike up our hips, long spine, look at the knees, and slowly lower the hips right back down. It's crucial here that your shoulders stay on top of your wrists the whole time. And again, this is so full body, your lats, triceps, back of the body firing, obliques firing. Inhale down, exhale back up. If you want a modification, all you do is drop your left knee down, right knee on top, and you get into a side wheelbarrow. So we're going to be here for 15 more seconds. So if you're in that teaser pike, keep going. Don't stop. If you're in that side wheelbarrow, keep breathing, keep squeezing and engaging that core. Last 5 seconds. Inhale out, exhale, squeeze it in, pull, pull, pull. 3, 2, and 1. Next up, I want to do a plank to pike. So you can do this on your forearms, or you can choose to do this on your palms. If you do it on your palms, it's more upper body activation. If you do it on your forearms, it's more core activation and less upper body. So let's do it. So you're in this plank, your feet are flexed, spine is neutral, and you're slowly piking up your hips, looking at your knees. And then with control, you're slowly dropping your hips right back down, stopping here at the plank. So if you're on the palms, again, you're pressing away. You're not sinking into your wrists. And let's keep moving here. Let's keep going. So inhale through the nose, drop your hips down, Heartbreaker. Exhale, squeeze your abs, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And when you pike up, I want you to really focus on your lower abs, and I want you to pull your lower abs into your spine, okay? And modification is doing the same move on your knees. 20 more seconds. Let's do this. Pick it up, and right back down. So again, like I said, we're prepping for our scrambled eggs. So we're just getting our core really nice and active, all right? Pike it up, pike it up, pike it up. And slow, lay down. Down, let's do one more rep. Big inhale through your nose. Exhale. And let's take a break for a sec. All right, so let's get back into that plank. This time, teaser to pike right side. So you're in the plank. I want you to cross your right foot in front of your left, pressing away with your palms and piking up your hips, looking at your knees and slowly coming back down with control into this kind of like side plank a little bit. So modifications, that side rollout, side wheelbarrow, And yeah, get into that as a modification. All right, so really focusing on your right oblique, really feeling your lats holding you up right here, supporting you, feeling your triceps squeezing your thighs together. Big inhale, pick it up, and slowly right back down. Last 8 seconds here. So again, prepping our obliques for the scrambled eggs so we really can fire them. Let's do one more rep down, right back. All right, so we're gonna finish our core warm-up with some intervals. We're gonna be sawing for 10 seconds, then doing leg lifts for 10 seconds, 3 times. So I want you to bring your forearms down on your carriage, get into that plank, shoulders on top of the elbows, big inhale, exhale, and I want you to saw. So now I'm gonna back myself up, maybe you can too, so you have a range of motion. It's out, it's in, it's out, it's in, it's out, it's in, out, in, and left leg up and drop. Right leg up and drop. Left leg up and drop. Right leg up and drop. Left leg up and drop. Right leg up and drop. Round 2, saw out, saw in, saw out, saw in. Modification, dropping your knees. Out and in, out and in. Now leg lifts. Left leg up, drop. March your feet, drop. March your feet, drop. Lower abs, stabilizing your hips. Pick it up, drop. Pick it up, drop. Last round. Inhale out, exhale in. Inhale out, exhale in. It's out, it's in. Feel your lats working. Out and in, and leg lifts. It's up and down. Last 8 seconds. Up and down. Keep going. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Whew. And that was our warm up. All right, Heartbreaker, we are on to work set 1, and we're going to be doing our scrambled egg series. So go to 1 black spring. And if you are really new to the workout, you can go to 1 white spring, but you just want to have enough resistance so that your core, your deep core muscles have something to respond to. All right. So you're going to be on the right side of your micro. Get your pillow or your towel, put it underneath your right knee for support. Then grab your cable, left foot. And by the way, my little pillow is in between the 2 and the 1 on my micro. So scrambled eggs, let's do it. I want you to be in this quadruped position. The movement of scrambled eggs begins with the right hip stacked on top of the right knee, the left leg extended from the left glute. And you want to make sure that that right hip on top of the right knee is locked in. You're never going to move it, all right? So let's get into the move. You're going to be creating a diagonal line down with your left leg. Down, 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 down. And your abs 360 cores picking up your left leg slowly up. I really want you to make a connection with your lower abs to help you pull the left leg up, all right? So inhale down, 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 down. And your abs are sucking in that left leg. So a big challenge here, like I mentioned a second ago, is to keep the hip stable and to keep the right hip on top of the right knee. So when I teach this, I'll always see this, and everyone does this when they first start the move. If I do this, you're only going to feel this in your wrist. You're not going to feel it in your core. So you have to really be vigilant about keeping your hips, your right hip on top of your right knee. All right. So that's very, very big point that you have to follow. Okay. Also, I want you to make sure that both obliques are nice and long. So I don't want you to think about crunching the left oblique. It's very, very long and nice. Inhale down, Exhale. I want you to also squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. Pull your belly button to spine when you sweep your left leg up, all right? So down, so feel your core resisting that tension, and your core is picking the left leg and sweeping it up. So it's just a diagonal line down towards your floor, and diagonal line right back up. So we have 10 seconds. Keep press away with your palms. Feel your lats active. Exhale right back up. Let's do one more rep. Big inhale down. Exhale. Squeeze your abs and just hold right here.